Hey, it's Tim at Engine Factory here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customers Ford GT40. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the again the 347 Ford power force pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines with the gas filter and all the fittings set up, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, brass freeze plugs, engine painted the gloss black. We have the front sump oil pan, correct oil pan, the GT40, Taylor ignition wires in black. All the wire markers are on there, all the vertical wire looms all set up. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket, air cleaners on there. You have the manifold vacuum fitting for easy hookups for any vacuum line hookups, proper balance flywheel, proper tooth count for the customer's transmission, and balance for the 347 Ford. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell. You have the shorty water pump on there for clearance. The 140 amp alternator, one wire hookup, all set up, ready to go. Correct thermostat housing for the GT40 and the angle setup for the customer. Oil stick and tube. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, all ready to go. Timing set, carburetor adjusted. So again, this is our 347 Ford 425 horsepower roller cam engine, ready to go here. Thanks for watching.